The Amarnath Yatra has been cancelled in view of a surge in COVID-19 cases. The decision was taken at a meeting chaired by LG G.C. Murmu of Jammu and Kashmir, who is also the chairman of the Sri Amarnath Shrine Board. The board will, however, facilitate virtual darshan and all rituals will be conducted as it was done in the past. The Health Ministry said in a briefing today that its ultimate aim is to reduce COVID-19 positivity rate or the number of those infected as a percentage of those tested to 5%. The ministry said that 30 states and union territories already had lower figures than the national average. The national positivity rate is 11.14%. The serological survey conducted in Delhi has shown that 23.48% of the people surveyed had developed immunoglobulin G antibodies, indicating they had been exposed to the coronavirus, the Union Health Ministry said. The study also indicated that a large number of infected persons remain asymptomatic. The Health Ministry credited the lockdown, the containment and surveillance efforts and the people for ensuring that in 6 months the disease has not spread across Delhi's dense pockets. The Rajasthan High Court will pronounce its order on Friday on the writ petition filed by Sachin Pilot and 18 other dissident Congress MLAs challenging the disqualification notices issued to them by the State Assembly Speaker. The High Court also requested the Speaker to defer action on disqualification notices till Friday. The Delhi government on Tuesday cleared a proposal to allow doorstep delivery of ration in the national capital. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said the scheme will be implemented within 6 to 7 months. The centre's One Nation, One Ration card policy will also be implemented in Delhi from the day the doorstep delivery policy kicks in. Kickstarting TMC's campaign for the next year's assembly elections, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said the state would continue to be run by its own people and not outsiders or people from Gujarat. Addressing the party's annual Martyrs' Day rally, Banerjee alleged that the BJP-led centre had deprived Bengal of resources. She also alleged that a conspiracy was being run by the centre to destabilise the government in Bengal.